Yes, guys, today is a food challenge between Nigeria and Kenya. Let us see who will finish first. You see all these things right here? Chicken, everything they here. This is full enjoyment. Let the game begin. Yes. As the Nigerian man is firing down, let's see who's gonna be winning. Let me know who you think is gonna win in the comment section, and do well to tell me the country you are supporting. Yes, the Nigerian man is doing the magic. Subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know who you are supporting.
Oh, make una see Nigeria don't finish their camo. Pressure dey high. Oh my goodness! What is the Kenyan guy doing? I've never seen this before. See pressure. Oh my goodness! The guy don't finish in papa. He has entered the beans. Take it easy. Easy does it systematically. Win this challenge. Whosoever is gonna win. Nigeria Kenya on a serious challenge. See the Kenyan man mouth. Turn the scar behind. Let's see if the behind capping is gonna make him win. Oh my goodness. Pressure dey high. Nigeria on a serious challenge. Kenya on a serious one. Pressure. Nigeria giving the Kenyan guy pressure. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a challenge like this before. Today, not today. Kenya from the left to the center. Nigeria going ahead. He's almost done with his plantain. Remaining the beans on the chicken. Oh my goodness. The Kenyan guy still have like 4 pieces of plantain on his plate. With it. Oh, he still has some in his hands. Oh my goodness. Nigeria they've always proven that they can eat very well. Oh my goodness, what is this? Hot cylinder, oh my God! Is this V16? Oh my goodness! Nigerian guy operating on 560 kilometers per hour. Why the Kenyan guy operating on 20 kilometers per hour? Oh my goodness! Oh my God! You're giving up, Kenya? You're giving up? Oh my goodness! The Kenyan guy is just giving up! This shows that Nigeria is a great eater! Someone pressure! Oh my God! I've never seen this kind of human being before! Jesus Christ! Oh! This guy! Kenya's God! Oh! He's crying the Kenyan! Oh! So therefore, Nigeria is the winner! Make some noise for the Nigerian guy!